All right, I got a 2025 Indian Chieftain Power Plus 112. It's got 800 miles on it, and this is new to me. It was involved in an accident, but most of it seems to be purely cosmetic. But tried to start it and it won't start. I do sometimes. Most of the time I don't get an error code, but sometimes I get this code. It's a P code C0C00. Whatever that means. I looked it up and couldn't find anything. But here's what happens when I try to start it. It runs for a second and shuts off. So I'm not sure what the deal is. Plenty of gas. I've cycled the fuel pump. You can hear it running. I've cycled that on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, and then try to start it again, and that didn't do it. Any help, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.